Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been, I don't even know how long. I've had 2 kids under 2 and I thought I'd jump on and just share some beautiful creamy products that I'm loving using at the moment, just applying with my hands. So it's great if you're on the go, if you don't have a lot of makeup brushes. It's just a really nice fresh look and you can see some of the products that I'm using at the moment. So I'm going to jump straight into it. So when you're applying makeup using just your fingers or your hands, you want to make sure that your hands are really clean to begin with. You want to make sure your face is really well hydrated, but again, not to the point where it has a lot of excess oil or moisture on there. So I'm going in with my LAMAV Bioactive Primer just to make sure my skin is really well prepped before we start applying any makeup. I'm going in with the LAMAV BB Cream in Light, and I'm only applying this where I need it. I'm not, smothering this all over my face. If you are applying foundation or BB cream using your hands, don't rub it in. If you have dry, flaky skin, or depending on the type of foundation you're using, it may start sort of balling and going patchy. So it's best just to apply just a really small amount and just start patting it in with your fingers just on the areas that you want to build some coverage. Now I'm going in with my Perez Arnica concealer. This is in the color Chai, and this is just a beautiful creamy natural concealer. I like to take my ring finger. I'm just applying this under the eyes, mainly to the dark circle areas. And this is a great way to apply makeup if you have mature skin, because it really helps you push and melt that product right into the skin, which helps prevent creasing because you're really sort of setting that product in. Now you can just leave your base like that if you have mature or dry skin. I like to set just a little bit of powder under the eyes and just around the edges of my nose here where I do get a little bit oily through the day, and just to set that concealer. I'm actually going to use the sponge puff thing from my RMS Beauty Un Cover-Up Concealer. This is a translucent powder and it is so silky. It is one of my all-time favorite powders. It is a little pricey, but it's worth the investment. And I'm just applying a really tiny amount just in this inner part here. And you can see what a difference it makes to the depth of that tired under eye area there. Around the edges of my nose just to blur any pores. And you know what, while I'm at it, I'm just going to go into the center here as well. Now for the fun part, I have these Raww Superfood face tints. These are beautifully creamy, all sort of purpose face products, and the best thing is they're natural, but they also contain Kakadu plum, which is amazing for a vitamin C hit, and lots of beautiful oils, so they are doing something good for your skin while you're wearing. So this is what they look like, beautiful and creamy. So just sort of hitting the high points of my cheeks here for a little bit of warmth. Oh, look at that, so pretty. I have another bronzy color here. This is Butterscotch. So this one's a little lighter and it's got more of a fleck in it than the Affogato. Just excuse my baby there. She's supposed to be asleep. So I'm using the lighter color on the lower part of my cheek here just to add a bit more warmth. I could just use this stuff all day. I could just keep applying different ones. I don't want to look like a clown though, so I might stop there. I have a couple of blush colors here. I have the Cosmopolitan and Fruit Tingle. I might go with Fruit Tingle today, I think. And I'm just applying that to the apples of my cheeks just for a little bit of pink blush. Now to add a little bit of something to my eyes, I'm going to go back in with the Affogato. I love this sort of glossy look on the lids, and I'm just sticking to the lid pretty much, just blending it up a little bit. Just going in with Butterscotch on my pinky finger and just running that along my lower lash line. I'm just going to go in with Cosmopolitan on my lips. light keeps changing here. It is so annoying. There's clouds just coming and going the whole time I'm filming. And I've got a baby eating my BB cream in the background and a neighbor who is mowing and whip-snippering. Great time to film, Michelle. Is that funny? Yeah. Okay, so I'm going in with the Eye of Horus Brow Fibre Extend in medium. You are naughty. Okay, so this is my finished easy makeup look using beautiful creamy products. Easy application with your fingers, great for on the go. So I really hope you enjoyed watching today, and I honestly cannot tell you when I'll be able to do this again, but I really enjoyed filming for you again today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you all again whenever I see you again, and I hope you all keep well in the meantime. Mwah! Sending you love. Bye!